Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And I did my eyebrows off camera because you know it'd be hard to concentrate. And now I'm just putting on my foundation. Okay you guys, so I'm done as of right now. I just gonna come back and show you my little lip color that I came up with. Right now I'm getting dressed because I got a few errands to run, and I will take you on a tour. Not on a tour, but I will take you along with me as I do my little window shopping for today. And then I'm gonna do some more with a Kaylin because you know it's my off day and I miss my baby. But as soon as I get dressed, I have to go to the library and take care of some personal issues. And then once I do that, then we will get on the road to awesomeness. Awesomeness. Alright, I'll see y'all in a few. Okay, y'all, so me and KK finally made it in Target. And for today's video, we're just gonna... My nose looks shiny as hell. In today's video, we're just gonna, what we gonna do, KK? Window shop, girls. She had just woke up, y'all, so that's what we about to do. We about to go and look at all the pretty Christmas things because that's what's gonna make us happy. Oh my god, I look so terrible. Terrible pretty. Shit is annoying. But yeah. I like the plaid though. It's cute. The dishes are gorgeous. Ooh, look at this vase. I can see that. Just all seasonal. Oh, look at that little serving tree. That's cute or whatever. Oh, that's the farmhouse stuff. Look at this. That is cute. And they got the bigger one. It's cute. What's wrong with you? What's wrong? Mama? Don't be acting like that. Not up in here. Can't work our way from the bottom on up, y'all. They okay? I don't know. I know this ain't all what Target got to offer. Ooh, y'all, look at these. Bruh. No. How about this? Just like fake wood or whatever can go in there. Or real. However, whatever aesthetics you want to use. Like that. Oh, look at the little snuggle for the little duets. That's too cute. Okay, y'all. I'm sure Target has a part where you can freaking look at Christmas trees. I'm sure they not about to hold me like this. Let me ask this guy right here. Excuse me. Do you have an area where the Christmas trees are?
Oh yeah, actually if you keep heading straight down and take a right.
Thank you.
A few aisles over.
Thank you. I found them. Look at the Christmas. Do y'all see this? Okay. Look at that. Ooh, and they soft. Bro, they on sale for $4. Y'all wanna know what's funny? That's why I fucking hate coming to Target because, girl, that's why I hate coming to Target because I get those little urges to wanna buy, but the way my bank account set up, it's like, bitch, please. That's for my baby. That little outdoor playhouse. You know what? It say it's easy to assemble. I can put this on my future balcony or patio for KK. That way she go to her own damn house. It's our current mood. Mama. Right when it's something I want her to see. Mama. Oh God, she just ruined it. Ruined the whole vibe, G. Right when I want to show her what good Christmas look like. Okay, Lynn. Mama. You know what, y'all? She ain't having it. She is not. But y'all almost lost my damn phone. Oh my God. Okay, let's see here. Oh my God, the Christmas lights on sale for $2. Why did I come here? Oh my God. Oh my God, $5. Oh, Mama. Oh God, I'm so scared. My baby's gonna break her back. Okay. Oh God, y'all. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Bruh, I could have came here. But you know, $1 is always a good deal. Okay. Oh my God, it's just so beautiful. Look at that. So cute. KK, you was heavy. Paper though. Oh my God, it's so damn classy. Okay, look at the little plates. Get y'all a little full set. Aww. Aww. Like, I don't know y'all, but I am so happy. I'm just happy just looking at it. Like, I know I'm not in the best situation this year. Haven't been for a few years, but I am so grateful. So grateful for the stuff I have. I wouldn't even ask for nothing, honestly. Only to be selfish and ask for my loved ones to be back. But that's normal though. That's normal. I wish I had more time. Not even more time, but I wish I didn't take my family for granted. Like, we always gonna be around. If I knew that all this was gonna pop off in a matter of 5 years, I would have savored every moment. Like, honestly, it's crazy as fuck. So, oh, look at that. Anybody got an A? I had got KK grandma one with her name embellished on it. Oh, they don't even got no A. Not for my KK. And it was $3. I could have grabbed her that. Forget it. Stupid white and gold. Oh, I hate when my baby sleep like that. All right, so we out of the Christmas thing. Hey y'all, so me and KK made it back from Target, and before I left, I put on dinner, and I made neck bones. Let me get y'all situated here. Even though I cannot find my tripod, I will tonight. I made, it's better if y'all see it. Okay, all right, let's take this out the way. I made neck bones. So what I did was I pan seared both sides for about 5 minutes. Baked it in the oven. And now I'm making a gravy. And inside is just the seasonings from the water, onion, and garlic. Nothing else. So typically what I do, I'm going to just put it back in there. And then with that, we will have mashed potatoes. So I'm just open the oven. We need to clean it out. And put that back in there so it can warm on up still. And I'm just waiting on the water to boil. Yeah, that's that. KK's happy now because she's eating. Say happy holidays, mama. Say happy holidays, family. All right, y'all heard it first from KK. All right, y'all. So I picked up a few things from Target, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got tomorrow. So this is Vlogmas day 4, but it's me and KK first day. Can I guarantee we do this every day? Hell no. Because after a while, I run out of stuff to do. And plus, I'm trying to move into my new apartment. That's my Christmas gift. That's KK Christmas gift to ourselves so we can live alone, as I told y'all earlier. And the biggest challenge is just like, you know, finding different things to do. I probably can. It's just I work 3 12-hour shifts. However, I do work 4 to 5 days, you know, 12-hour shifts a week. So it just depends on my schedule. But I do want to get in the habit of, after I get off work, to always do something with a Kaylin, because life is too short, literally. And I want to make sure that no matter how hard I work, I have enough time for her. So that's kind of the battle that I'm dealing with. You know, do I give her enough affection when I get off work? But I know for sure on my 4 days off, it's all about me and KK. No matter if we go on window shopping like we did today. Okay, I might give you some water. No matter if we go on window shopping like we did today, y'all. Or just cooling, or painting our toes and stuff. So I do spend a lot of time with her. I just like to do outdoorsy stuff with her. Ain't just right, mama? Girl, look, girl, y'all. She wants some water. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Sit down, Dirt. But like I said, you know, I'm about to get her completely undressed. Like I said, here you go. You know, if you can't keep up with Vlogmas, you don't have to. Do what you can. Make it your Vlogmas. Don't make it about what people see you get. Just do it because it's honestly make you happy, and 2, you get to spend time with people you love. Yeah, damn fly, girl, that was a fly. Look at it. Y'all motherfuckers supposed to be dead. Here go the finished look. Alright, y'all, this KK plate. Now let's make my plate. Y'all know I love me some potatoes. forget to make your little mountain. Okay. And you take your your bone, your nipple, and you just place it right there on the side. Just fill that sucker up. Y'all, I freaking love homemade gravy. Alright, and that's that, y'all. That is that. Say we good, mama, huh? Yeah, we good. Got to be careful. As I mentioned before, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.